Fragrant bread is the favorite of many people, but a bakery owner was shocked to reveal that these four kinds of bread are extremely bad, and it is recommended not to buy them. He will not even eat them. Bread with milk is the standard breakfast for many people, but a Chinese blogger, Lily, in 2020, published an article revealing that there are 4 types of bread that are most likely to contain excessive trans fats, artificial additives, colorings, and preservatives. A chef and owner of a bakery told her a secret. Bread with good taste is not necessarily healthy bread. There are 4 kinds of bread that only people who don't understand will eat, and those who know the secret never eat them. The first type is margarine bread. The butter tastes rich and smooth. Both adults and children like it. However, butter can be divided into plant-based and animal-based. Generally, most of the butter sandwiched in bread is plant-based butter. In addition to low nutritional value, there are also a lot of trans fats, which can make you fat if you eat too much. Bread made with vegetable butter will basically not melt at room temperature, while bread made with animal butter will melt at room temperature. There is a big difference between the two. The second type is meat floss bread, which is spread with a layer of mayonnaise and then covered with a thick layer of meat floss. It is a favorite of many people, but the chef revealed that not all meat floss is made of meat. Many breads, in order to save costs, the store will use pork floss powder to make meat floss. Although the texture and taste are not far from real meat floss, the nutritional value is far behind. Some of them have additives, which may cause a burden on the body if eaten too much. The third type is fake whole wheat bread. Although whole wheat bread is recognized by many people as one of the healthy breads, many cheap breads on the market just add caramel dye to wheat and falsely claim to be whole wheat. Or use whole wheat mixed dough and add various sugar powders and oils to make it taste better, but in fact it is much different from real whole wheat. The fourth is cheap fruit bread. This type of bread cannot withstand being left for a long time. Because the humidity of the fruit and the bread are different, it is easy for the fruit to become moldy and spoil first over time. In addition, some stores use canned fruits to make bread, which contains preservatives, additives, and high sugar content, which are not good for your health. The above are the 4 types of bread that we need to buy with caution when buying bread in supermarkets or bakeries. Generally, knowledgeable people rarely buy them. You can pay more attention when buying bread and choose more nutritious and healthy bread for your family. Authentic and pure whole wheat bread can be eaten as a staple food. It is nutritious, filling, and is not high in calories. But it is not recommended to eat too much of some fancy butter bread.